Kain na kami guys. Oh, eggs. Ano to?
Bro, mukhang sarap ng tulog mo ah.
Haba mo talaga.
2.5 boss.
Ngayon. O, doon din sa, pwede rin naman doon sa bahay nila.
Ay guys, nandito na kami sa room. Ayusin na namin yung ibang gamit namin kasi check out na kami ngayon. Tapos, pupunta kami sa
ATV ride!
Hindi ko alam ng lugar yun eh, pero mag-ATV kami ngayon. Tapos
Yun!
go!
Sama yun, tayo mag-ATV.
Yun guys, bye!
Do ba 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 do do ba do boo do a boo ba do ba do.
Parang ano, mag-Fuji yung Magayon, diba? Magayon! Quintinan Hills.
Nakita ko bukas na bukas.
Wow! Yo guys, sobrang ganda dito. Ayun sila, Brad. Bili ka dito, bilis! Ang ganda po dito. So nice, may drone. Hindi sila Prince guys. Sama si El. Sayang ano, dalawa lang ATV. Hindi ko makasama ngayon. Atras. Kawai. Kami guys. So guys, ito na kami. Wow! So guys, ito na kami sa Cebu. Hi boss! Bossy!
No, can you tell me man was no.
So guys, ito yung Mount Bulusan.
Rockin' on,
Bulusan pala.
11:32.
Parang bundok lang naman yan. Volcano daw siya.
What am I waiting for? Made to believe my comes my transport.
Mama, you're sleeping?
So guys, malapit na daw tayo sa swimming falls. Ito si ate.
Ganda doon, no?
Imimit ka na lang namin doon sa falls. Bye-bye. Hello guys, nandito na po kami.
Cold Spring Resort. I think I saw this place at TikTok, guys. No. Renegade Hotel.
Rin yun eh.
Okay, bumaba na si sis. Punta siya doon.
Hot spring?
So guys, we got ang init oh. Lipat kami kasi
Guys, di na kami makakalit. Sobrang dami kong nakaparking. Ayun pa po, dami.
wala nang cottage. Ubus na guys. Lipat kami pa. Let's go. Bye-bye! Hi guys, tignan niyo yung buhok ko. Dumidikit kasi may friction.
Kita niyo ba? Ano bumabalik? The door loves you.
Hintay namin yung kwarto kasi hindi ang kadal. Very tough. Guys, nandito na po kami sa bahay nila. Kala ko BH. So guys, nakailang ikot na kami. Naghahanap kami ng mga hotel.
As you promised me that I was more than all the miles combined, you must have had yourself a change of heart like halfway through the drive.
Check namin yung room, guys.
Cut off exactly as you passed my exit sign. Kept on driving straight and left our future to the right. Now I am stuck between my anger and the blame that I can't face. And memories or something, even smoking weed does not replace. And I am terrified of weather, cause I see you when it rains. Doc told me to travel, but there's COVID on the planes. And I love Vermont, but it's the season of the sticks. And I saw your mom, she forgot that I existed. And it's half my fault, but I just like to play the victim. I'll drink alcohol till my friends come home for Christmas. And I'll dream each night of some version of you that I might not have, but I did not lose. Now your tire tracks in one pair of shoes, and I'm split in half, but that'll have to do. So I thought that if I piled something good and all my bad, that I could cancel out the darkness I inherited from Dad. No, I am no longer funny, 'cause I miss the way you laugh. Once called me forever, now you still can't call me back. And
Ganda!
I love Vermont, but it's the season of the sticks. And I saw your mom, she forgot that I existed. And it's half my fault, but I just like to play the victim. I'll drink alcohol till my friends come home for Christmas. And I'll dream each night of some version of you that I might not have, but I did not lose. Now you're tire tracks and one pair of shoes, and I'm split in half, but that'll have to do. Oh, that'll have to
So guys,
do.
let's go.
My other half was you.
Punta ko doon, mababaw lang
I
doon
hope
kasi.
this pain just passing through, but I doubt it.
Wala, lumulupog ako.
Love Vermont,
Layo
but
na
it's
nila.
the season
Sis,
of the
wait lang.
sticks. And I saw
Babaw,
your
ah.
mom, she forgot that I existed.
Kasi natatakot ako
Half
kasi
my
ang layo ko
fault,
na.
but I just like to play the victim. I'll drink alcohol till my friends
Ang
come
alon, no?
home for
Tignan nyo, guys, pag
Christmas.
tinignan
And
nyo ganyan.
I'll dream each night of some
like scary, you know?
that I might not have, but I
Uy,
did not lose.
takot na ako.
Tire tracks and
Ay!
one pair of
Ang babaw na!
shoes, and I'm split
Wow!
in half. That'll
Pahinga na!
have to do.
Layo ko na. Yan, mababaw na guys. Let's go! Yan na yung alon. Ow! Ito sila sis. Ti! Picturean ko kay sis.
Ayan, malaki yan, oh. Uy, nakas!
1, 2, 3. Okay guys, nakapag-picture na kami. Babalik ko na yung cellphone ko. Kasi maliligo na po ako. Ayun, dito mababaw. Doon naman medyo malalim. Kinakabahan ako. Malayo eh. Bigla na lang bababa. Nakakapagod na tayo ng nilalakad ko guys. Natatakot ako guys! Ay, may alon! Record ko para safe ako kung mangyayari sa akin. Okay. Oo, malapit na ako. Gutom na ako. Sa kwarto, papahinga. Ayun si Mami, oh. Yo. Di guys, pero takot talaga ako sa dagat. Lo, parang bato dito. Takot talaga ako sa dagat, guys. Dito na ako, maliligo na ako, babalik ko cellphone ko. Alam mo. So guys, umahon na kami. Pupunta kami doon, kila Brad Macdo sa other side. Dito yung ano namin, doon kami pupunta. Di ba, ma'am?
Ba't naman pakabili?
Hindi naligo si Mami, guys. Magbukas na daw.
Ano yung hapon maliligo?
Dito? Dito lang pala. Ang ganda, oh. Ganda, ah. Ano yan? Ang lakas ng alon dito, guys. Dito na kami sa kabila. Ito pa si Mami, oh. Ayun na. natin, guys. Aso, ang daming aso. Wala! Ayun yung aso sa kabila. Ata. Pakainin mo yan.
Bahay sisa. Lang yung bahay na.
Maghaharap kami ng 7-Eleven, guys.
Dahil sa 7-Eleven na lang magkape. Parang nagutom si Sisa, layo ng bahay.
So guys, nandito kami sa car. Inandar ko yung car. At maghaharap kami ng cafe ngayon, gabi. Ano oras na? Ano oras yung 19?
22. 7:22 na guys.
No?
7:22. Ay!
7 p.m. na.
Okay.
Inandar ko yung car, guys.
7:04 na. Ay, 7:05 na guys.
Get Dad's water.
Okay.
Bye-bye! Bukas ang ano namin, pupunta ata kami ng ano,
Falls!
spring. Hindi falls yun, cold spring daw. Ewan ko anong meron. Basta yun lang. Nakapantulog. Ala! Nahulog. Nakapantulog lang kami.
Dati ka
Mangrove Cafe.
magjo-journal ka. Mag-make.
Magagalit na naman si...
7-Eleven stop, guys. Hi guys, we're going back. Continue tomorrow.
Yes, bye-bye.